Hello guys and welcome to another market update video. We're gonna have a look at Bitcoin today and look at what happened today and some potential scenarios going forward for this week, at least for tomorrow and maybe Wednesday. So today we had a pretty impulsive move up, as you all know, mostly because of Trump and the Iran situation. It's kind of a mess in my opinion. Trump says one thing the other day and the next day it's complete opposite, so it's kind of hard to know what's true and what's false and what's pure lies in my opinion. It's kind of funky how the world is these times. It's crazy, and you see oil prices going up to the moon, dumping like crazy, silver is going crazy, gold is going crazy, Bitcoin is volatile. The whole market is crazy, and even Nasdaq today was nuts, from another planet volatility. It's amazing for us traders, but it's so important with risk management these days, because when the volatility is very high, it goes extremely fast in your favor and opposite, against your favor. In other words, it's extremely fast to lose money you don't really want to lose. Please use risk management. Anyways, today we had this impulsive move up. I had a trading zone shared on my Twitter as usual a few days ago, with the long zone down here. With the week level we had daily low, and was a pretty key confluence zone. And after that, up at most 6.4%. Amazing. I told you guys I did TP around here, I think, on longs, and I took a short from here. I shared in my VIP group, my personal group. It's private. If you want access, send me a DM on Twitter and I can get you in. So I had a short from here, TP'd on the way down, full TP hit. Also, was a crazy chop locally, looking at the 1 minute at the highs. That's usually what happens before the real major move, trapping traders up here, both going long short, long short, long short, and trapping longs at the highs and short at lows. And that's kind of classic, but it's so extremely important. Let's say you have a stop loss here, for example. When you are trading here, it's really fast to just want to get the hell out of the trade. Just get out, because it feels bad holding and being a little bit underwater. But if you're using great risk management and you have a plan on the trade, please let the trade play out. If your target is lower and your risk management tolerates the loss and the potential reward of winning is way bigger than the loss, let the trade play out. If you lose, that's okay. If you win, that's great. If you lose, you try again later. You try again tomorrow. Get some data, but please don't close just because of fear, because it's gonna hurt your account and hurt your long term. So please follow your plan. So anyways, we get a nice move to downside with some time, and I closed the trade around a few RR realized. Nothing huge, but getting in a 3 win streak in a row in my group. And today was a pretty amazing day for me. And when you have days that just works, you end a long and just explodes, you take a short, and I took this short also before New York, and it just goes your way. It's so important to check your ego, and I needed to do that today. I'm just gonna be really honest with you. I need to take, you know what, I'm gonna need to chill out, let my ego at home, and just close this trade now at 2 RR realized. Just because, you know what, I've had this amazing day. My only goal right now is not lose any money and be ready for the next day. And just check my ego and know that I'm a human, I make mistakes, and maybe tomorrow I'm gonna get a stop loss, maybe next trade, who knows. But getting that ego boost can be real dangerous. I have been a full-time trader for a good while, so I have some experience, but I'm a human too, and I make mistakes, so I just need to, you know what? I'm going to secure this trade and just be happy for today and not want any more, and just wait for the next day. Because risk management and having a good risk management is also a lot about how you think and how your mind works. If your mind is messed up and you're just chasing money, chasing more, chasing trades, you're most likely going to get burnt sooner or later. So please follow a plan and be patient and check your ego at home. Don't let the ego go to the charts. It's going to hurt you. I promise you. So looking at Bitcoin, in my opinion, for continuance to the upside, it's kind of nasty to long this. Maybe a VWAP bounce for sure, but if you're going to start pushing this zone, we're most likely going to fill it all and likely to retrace the move, in my opinion, and get down to the 68 level again. But we may hold over the day level for now, I don't know. Let's see. To the upside, we have this range value low sitting in this zone, also weekly, monthly level resistance, and previous week equilibrium. For any major continuous high, we need to see acceptance above here. Then, in my opinion, I would accept and pretty much most likely going to get a move towards the week level and single print. We have a naked VWAP, as you see here, that acts as resistance, but it's not the strongest zone alone, and we may just go straight past it. I'm going to remove that on my object tree just for now. But if you're going to find acceptance above here, I'm expecting a move towards the single print and the week level resistance. If you break down, lose the session VWAP, start pushing this zone, we may react, for example, from this week, get a bounce from this week. Really possible. If you start chewing this zone, we're most likely going to fill it and go all the way down to the week level for another potential bounce. That was pretty much my short and simple Bitcoin update for today, for day trades and scalps. I'm going to post a video soon about the long term and a high time frame for spot trades, swing trades, and so on. This is just a short-term day trading video. Anyways, if some of you guys want access to my private group, send me a DM. Links for Bybit, BloFin, BingX, MEXC below if you need a place to trade. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please check your ego, be patient, use risk management, and I'll see you all in a new video very soon. Bye bye.